Introducing the new Headrest tissue holder, a convenient and stylish way to offer tissues to your passengers without the hassle of bulky, loose boxes. Easy to install on any vehicle, simply raise the headrest, clasp the band around the headrest, and lower the headrest for a secure fit. Refilling the tissue holder is simple. Just pull the front faceplate off by inserting a finger into the opening and pulling. Place the new tissue pack inside the holder, tearing away the perforated area. Place the faceplate back onto the holder and snap into place. Use the top slots to place your business cards for added advertising and company branding. Order yours today at www.infparts.com.